Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is The Daily Rage. Let me tell you a story of two outcomes when you throw a Hail Mary. And as a disclaimer, I am not recommending you do this, but I will set the stage for you. This morning, I started my day with a balance on this particular account of $49,309. So I was already significantly down on the account. The account started at $50K, so I was quite a bit below that. And on top of that, my threshold balance was only about $1,400. So I didn't have a ton of room to really let trades play out in this particular case. And tomorrow, this was set to renew. So this morning, I was hosting a live trading room for the folks in my intensive. And I was talking to them and I'm like, you know what? Here's what I don't want to have happen. I don't want to be down on this account and it to renew, tonight, tomorrow, and then to be starting June, a brand new month, already down. Like that didn't feel good to me at all. So I was like, you know what I'm going to do? And again, I'm not recommending this, but I'm like, I'm just going to throw a Hail Mary and trade some size and see what happens. Now, what I thought would happen is that, quote unquote, worst case scenario, I would fail the evaluation. Okay, well then what happens? Then tomorrow, when my account renews, it would reset to a brand new 50K account with a full trailing threshold. So I was like, that feels much better because then I can start June fresh and clean. Miraculously, the other alternative is that the Hail Mary would actually work. And as you can see here, this is what happened. So what I was doing this morning in the live room, I was just trading some size on the index futures. I was up to $835 of realized profit this morning during the live room. And then we ended here at 7 o'clock Pacific time. And the market was just kind of chopping around at that time. I was like, I'll just wait and see what else happens. And then this is the NASDAQ 2-minute time frame. This nice downward slide happened. I just jumped on the train on that thing and ended up passing this evaluation. So I am actually shocked that that happened. I was sure that I was going to blow up the account and just start fresh tomorrow, but I sort of accidentally passed the evaluation. So again, I'm not recommending that you do that, but my point in telling you this is that there's nothing wrong with giving yourself a little break. I know some people are like, oh, well, let me just suffer through it. If I'm already down on the account, let me just renew the account and keep trucking along, and that's fine. But why not give yourself a little bit of a break and at least start the month fresh and see if you can make something happen? The only thing that you will miss out on in that case is having 7 trading days. But as probably you already know, that's the easy part. It's not hard to trade for 7 days. The hard part is actually getting the account balance up to where it needs to be without kicking in your trailing threshold and getting stopped out of everything and then failing the account. So as a reminder, Apex is having their 80% off sale right now. It does end tonight. So if you want to get an account or an additional account or accounts, you can have as many evaluations as you choose. That ends tonight at 11:59 Eastern Time Zone. You will save 80% off your first month and it's recurring. So if you do need to renew in the future, it's no problem. And if you're ever in the position where you are coming up against that renewal, you can always just sort of blow up the account purposefully so that you can start fresh. Again, not recommending you do that. That was just some of the things that I was thinking about today. And like I said, miraculously, it sort of worked out for me in this case. Now, to be clear, many times in the past, it hasn't. So it doesn't always happen this way. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.